Draw a graph of the line with slope -3/2 and y-intercept 0, 1. Well, we'll begin by plotting the y-intercept, point 0, 1. And then look at the slope. We can think of the slope as -3 over 2. Remember that slope is rise over run, or the change in y over the change in x. So I can start at the y-intercept, and this expression tells me to go 3 units in the negative y direction. So I go down 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and this tells me to go right 2 units. And that brings me to the point 2, -2. And now let's look at the slope as 3 over -2. And again, I'll go back to the y-intercept. This time, to find another point, I'll go up 3 units because 3 is positive. And I will go left 2 units because I have a negative number in the denominator. And now I'll just draw the line that contains these 3 points. And this is the graph of the line with slope -3/2 and y-intercept 0, 1.